The academic community of Tripura University came together today to celebrate the 48th Kokborok Day, honoring the linguistic heritage and the 1979 official recognition of the state's indigenous language. The event saw active participation from students, research scholars and faculty members. The celebration was successfully organized under the dedicated guidance and supervision of Dr. Sunil Kalai, head of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. The festivities commenced at 3:20 p.m. with a colorful and energetic rally. The procession started from Academic Building Number 10 and moved through the university through fairs, eventually culminating at the open-air theatre.
Bitu.
A major highlight was a melodious flute performance by Narsingh Jamatia, who showcased a unique Kokborok folk fusion, blending traditional notes with contemporary rhythms. Nelson de Burma enthralled the crowd with a soulful rendition of a Kokborok song, celebrating the lyrical beauty of the mother tongue. Dr. Sunil Kalai, head of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, highlighted the importance of the indigenous languages and addressed the gathering to preserve and develop the Kokborok language in future with greater initiatives.
Human being, it simply means language of human being, or a human language. It's a form of communication. It's a universal language, which is called Kokborok. Well, today if you see about the politics of Kokborok, you see people fighting about the issues of script, or its legitimacy, about its authenticity. But my dear young scholars and friends, I like to tell you, each time a language dies, one of our civilizations disappears. Rightly said by Sinai. The language that we hear or we speak is not just a language. It is a history, it is a culture, it's about existence, it is about our gods and goddesses.
Reported by Nelson from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.